Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add music to GarageBand. This is very simple to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application right here on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started, going ahead and selecting what we want to record ourselves and so on. If you do not have the application, just download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, it's going to look like this. And now we can get started with finding what to record. So guys, this is how we can go ahead and add music. Let's go ahead and first and open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new page where we can get started recording ourselves and everything that we need. So as you can see at the top of the screen, we have the big red button that's going to go ahead and enable us to get started recording. As you can see, it's going to start the recording process. We can add our options, our effects, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to add music. Basically, if you want to add music, you want to go right here into the edit mode in the upper left corner, click on edit mode. That's going to be able to see you and show you all the tracks that you have where you can get started editing them. And guys, here in the upper right corner, now we have a button that once we click the button right there, and as you can see, now it's going to enable us to go ahead and select an item we want to add. So we can browse items from the Files app. You can go ahead and click on that. That's going to enable us to find the music that you want to add. So just go ahead and click on it to select it and add it to your track right here. And after adding it, you can get started with playing around with it and editing it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.